just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and nice to see you again, you guys. I am trying my best to, be on a roll with these videos for you guys because I know you guys deserve it. So on today's video, you guys are going to learn how to create this gorgeous look, which is really simple and really wearable, I feel like it. And it's perfect for Valentine's. If you're going to do anything for Valentine's, this is just perfect for any occasion as well. I feel like it's really nice and wearable and bold at the same time. So I'm going to be featuring the Deck of Scarlet palette, which is a makeup line subscription service that you guys have seen on my channel. I have posted about this many times, even on my Instagram. I really love their palettes and the concept they have behind it, which they feature popular YouTubers. So hopefully cross your fingers for me, you guys, and give it a thumbs up. So maybe one day they'll feature me, even though I'm not popular, but you never know, girl. You never know. So let me show you guys, give you guys a little unboxing of how everything looks. You get your package right here, which is nice and sleek. And then you have the name of the makeup artist right here. Once you open it, you have your palette. Just how gorgeous is this palette? I swear, when I first seen it, I'm like, I told my husband, this could be a picture frame. It is badass. So you get your palette and then an extra product that they sent. And they also add a little pamphlet of the beauty blogger that they are featuring this palette. So now this one is Lupe Cuevas, which I had no clue who she was. So I really love the fact that they do that, because then I find out new beauty bloggers, and right when I found out, I was like, damn, she is amazing at what she does. That they're featuring this month is number 12. And then once you open it, look at that, you still get this badass picture frame in it. And you open it and you get your eyeshadows, and then you get a blush, a highlighter, and 2 lippies. So I have 2 matte shadows and 1 that has more shimmer. I also added on this box illuminating drops. Now, Deck of Scarlet is paraben free and also cruelty free, if you guys are wondering. And also I have some exciting news, you guys. They're going to be a monthly subscription. They're going to be bringing out so many new goodies that I cannot wait to share you guys this upcoming year. So the fact that they give you a little preview of what palette is coming next. So if you like it, then you get it. If you don't, you can skip it. Now, the full size product and kit seriously costs less than a product at Sephora, which is $29.95. I will leave you guys the information linked down below with the discount code and everything. So let's jump right into this tutorial so you guys can learn how to create this gorgeous look. Right now, what I have on is my contouring, my foundation, concealer, and brows. And I'm going to show you guys how the palette looks, which is really gorgeous. I swear, like last night I was telling my husband, you know what? I can put these pictures in like picture frames because they look so awesome. Like, just imagine them in the back. Like, they look really cool, huh? This is the one that Lupe Cuevas created, and once you slide it off, so what you get is 3 shadows, and then you have a blush and a highlighter, and then 2 lippies. So this one looks like a lip gloss and then just your lipstick. But I love the fact that they added some matte shades right here. So what I'm gonna do first is just set my lids, because I did apply some concealer at first. So just take whatever setting powder you use or whatever pressed powder foundation. And I'm going to apply this all over. I'm gonna start off with cocoa and apply it all over my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Obsessed, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease as well. I feel like this is a really pretty pastel, beautiful pink shade. I swear, you guys, I don't think I have ever even used a pink like this. It's like a baby soft pink. It's so pretty. But as you see, it does make a little bit of difference. It does add like that tone to it. It does change it instead of just one shade brown. Now I'm going to go in with Guru, which is a beautiful purple. Now this one is the only one that is not matte, which I love because, they just add a little pop of color. It is so pigmented. Just look at that. Now I'm going to add this shadow on the outer corners right here and right here of my lid. And whatever you have left, just bring it on your crease. I'm going to grab a cleaner blending brush and just blend that, so I don't just keep adding color. So now I'm gonna grab Crystallize, and I'm just gonna add that on my crease in that little middle part that you guys see right there. Then I'm gonna go in with the brush, just pat that and bringing it upwards. I'm gonna take Rube and Insta Famous and apply it under my lash line just to smoke it out and give it more of a dimension instead of just like this that looks really, really plain. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to grab a little bit of concealer on this brush and just clean up the outer corner just to make it look more sharp. So there you guys have my eyes with my lashes and my eyeliner now. So now I'm going to be applying Crystallized as my highlight. I swear I have not had highlight in a while, you guys. So just a tiny bit. Where I'm going to apply a lot is on my inner corners. So I'm going to grab Crystallized and just apply it on my inner corners just to make that look even pop more. So for my lips, I'm going to grab Undone. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. Purples are my go-to for a brown eye girl. You guys know that is just an amazing color. I just loved every shade. I feel like everything was nice and blendable. It didn't have any fallout, you guys. And I feel like it's really wearable. You can make it more bold if you want. Even the lippies are really, really bold. I did add a little bit of lip liner, but as I was adding it, I was like, I don't even need to. Like, I'm so used to, you know, adding lip liner all the time, but I'm like, it has enough pigment that you can see, you know, like just like you contour your face, you can see my lips contour. So if you're a subscriber for the month of February, you will also get their new lip kit. Now, these 6 matte liquid lipsticks. And so on this month's subscription, you get Moody Mauve and then Siren and Brunch Babe. So here's a swatch of the lippies, you guys. They feel really, really creamy as I was applying it on my hand, and they feel really velvety. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys want more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.